So how to use Tonkeeper app. So here is the app, and with this app you can create Ton wallet, and this is like a very handy app if you like Telegram, if you using Notcoin and all of this crypto. So basically everything attached to Telegram, you will need this app. So open up this app, and super easy to create your wallet. Just tap on the wallet in top right, add a wallet, and then create new wallet. Just tap the button, and then you can create unlimited amount of wallets. Super easy just to do it. As you can see, already have like 3 wallets, and there you have it. So then you can just send, you can receive, you can see your Toncoin address. Send only Toncoin, Ton, and tokens in Ton network to this address, or you might lose your funds. Then you can also scan, you can also swap here. So send Ton, receive some other tokens, and buy and sell here. So you can buy Ton, you can buy USDT, you can swap it. Then you can just stake, join staking and get reward. Staking helps to maintain the Ton network. So you can see here the idea. And then there is like settings in top right. You can customize your wallet. Then there is a backup where you can just write down your recovery phrase, security, just themes. Yeah, so that's the idea. You can also delete your account here in the bottom. And then you also have history of your transactions, where you can buy or receive Toncoin. Also, there is a browser, so there is the whole like marketplace. There are a bunch of apps here where you can buy eSIM, for example, buy digital gift cards, Ton GPT, Ton VPN. So a whole kind of like a app marketplace based on Ton crypto, DeFi, NFT. So yeah, pretty cool. So you can just find it out here in the browser. Community, you can also go to their community, explore, and then there is choose a country, all regions, and yep, so there you have it.